We are gonna go clean the chicken coop. I feel like I should probably like take advantage of the weather being nice. It's like 70-ish outside. So I think we're gonna take advantage of that. Hey, water, headgear change, chicken cleaning shoes. Okay. It's like darn near tank top weather outside today. It's 70, but whenever you're out here working, it's hot. I hate cleaning the coop out. It's not my favorite. But it gots to be done, right? We typically do deep litter method and clean it out twice a year. I didn't clean it out this fall, so I just added more material. So it's really needing it. Izzy, stay here. Okay, ready to clean out the coop. Hello, Miss Hen. I'm here for inspection. I'm here to clean your coop, ma'am. First thing we're gonna do is take this out. What I usually do is clean out over here where they roost, and it's the worst. And I clean out like right here. This stuff is usually not very bad, and then I just scoot it over and then refill over here. And I put some fresh down over here too. But like all of this isn't really broken down, doesn't really have a lot in it. But this is really bad, so I'm gonna clean this out. And we're gonna clean their disgusting nesting boxes. They've laid a lot of eggs today already. I'm gonna move them out here. And then I'll take the fake eggs out so I can clean these nesting boxes really good. If there's one thing I wish we did differently about our coop, which really we just kind of slapped this together out of things that we could find, but I wish it was easier to clean. The door kind of gets in the way, and it's not long enough to have like a long handled pitchfork and stuff in here. So I have to like do this, turn around, open the door. Such an awkward position with this door. And the door is kind of small. Lord have mercy. Not my favorite chore. That wagon is so full, and we've barely made a dent, really, even just on the parts that I'm doing. All of this on the bottom is much more broken down. So I'm gonna go dump what we have, and I'm gonna scoop up the rest of this to use in some raised beds. Let's go get some more. This hen is still looking for a place to lay, so we're gonna go ahead and doctor up the nesting boxes before we finish with the coop. Put some hydrated lime in the bottom of the boxes. I've also used permethrin. This not only helps keep it dry, especially if somebody poops in the nesting box or if an egg gets broken, it helps keep them from getting any kind of mites and things in there. Also have a little bit of diatomaceous earth, sprinkle in each box. This also kind of helps ward against mites and stuff. Okay, there you go, ma'am. You have nice, fresh hay boxes to lay in. I'm gonna come finish cleaning your coop though. Can you see how much darker the stuff on the bottom is? That's the good stuff. That's what I'm after for finishing filling up my pots. We're gonna put our fake eggs back inside. Whoa, she didn't like that. One for each box. I got this all scooped out. I'm gonna rake this over and then put some fresh bedding down. That's good for now. I'll put their ladder back. Oh, it's a workout, man. So they can lay. They don't like an audience. Okay, clean, good to go. And I have my workout. I still have to go empty both of these wagons. Well, I worked all day. It is, I don't know, like 5 o'clock now. I got several beds prepped for planting, ready to plant. Now, my body is very tired. We're gonna make chicken spaghetti for dinner. It's actually gonna be rabbit spaghetti because Jeff opened a jar of rabbit. We're gonna go get that made. I'm gonna sit down and I may not be able to get back up. Thank you for coming and hanging out while I clean the chicken coop today. I'll see you next time when you stop by the homestead.